On the northern coast of the vast island of Borneo lies Brunei Darussalam, a small but remarkable nation. Though it covers less than 1% of Borneo's landmass, Brunei stands out as a shining example of natural preservation and cultural heritage. At its heart is a vast, ancient rainforest, one of the oldest and most pristine on the planet. This emerald expanse is a living link to a time before human civilization, a place where nature's rhythms have continued undisturbed for millennia. These forests, untouched for millions of years, are a living cathedral of green, one of the last of their kind on Earth. Here, towering dipterocarp trees stretch skyward, their branches woven together to form a dense protective canopy. Brunei has made a conscious and ambitious choice to protect over 70% of its land as a rainforest, creating a sanctuary for countless species. This commitment to conservation is rare in today's world, where forests are often sacrificed for development. Here, the air is thick with the scent of earth, wildflowers, and the ever-present hum of life. Instead of the city's noise, you're greeted by a symphony of birdsong, the calls of distant gibbons, and the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, painting the forest floor with shifting patterns of light and shadow. Every step reveals a new world, hidden orchids, glistening streams, and the play of golden light on ancient trunks. Our journey takes us deep into this green heart, along winding trails and across mossy logs, to discover why these forests are so special and how they've been preserved against the odds. We'll meet extraordinary wildlife, from the comical and charismatic proboscis monkey with its distinctive nose and playful antics, to the elusive clouded leopard, a rare and mysterious predator that silently prowls the shadows of the jungle. We'll also learn from the people who have lived in harmony with this environment for generations, indigenous communities and local guides whose knowledge and respect for the forest are vital to its survival. This is a story of hope, a glimpse of a future where humanity and nature thrive together, where ancient traditions and modern conservation work hand in hand to protect a priceless legacy. Welcome to Brunei's rainforest, a living testament to what's possible when a nation chooses to value and protect the natural world. Here, the spirit of Borneo endures, wild and free. Brunei's rainforests are often called the Sultans' forests, a symbol of royal stewardship and national pride. These emerald expanses are more than just a backdrop to the nation. They are a living legacy, carefully protected and cherished by generations. The Sultan's vision has shaped not only the landscape, but also the identity of Brunei itself, intertwining the fate of the people with the fate of the forest. The Sultan's commitment ensures these forests are protected for future generations, not exploited for short-term gain. Through strict conservation policies and a deep respect for nature, Brunei has resisted the pressures of deforestation that have swept across much of Southeast Asia. The government's dedication to sustainable management means that these forests remain a sanctuary for countless species and a source of clean air and water for the nation. Here, ancient trees reign as silent kings, rivers flow as lifeblood, and every creature plays a role in a balanced ecosystem. Towering dipterocarps, some centuries old, provide shelter and food for rare animals, while the forest floor teems with life. The harmony between flora and fauna is a testament to the resilience and complexity of these rainforests. Brunei's leadership has preserved a vital link in the heart of Borneo, a cross-border conservation effort with Malaysia and Indonesia. This ambitious initiative protects one of the world's last great rainforests, ensuring that wildlife corridors remain unbroken and that the ecological health of the entire island is safeguarded for generations to come. While much of Borneo's rainforest has vanished, Brunei's remains a stronghold for biodiversity. Here, rare orchids bloom, hornbills soar above the canopy, and elusive clouded leopards still roam. The forests are a living museum, preserving species found nowhere else on Earth. To walk these forests is to step back in time, experiencing a world now rare and precious. The air is thick with the scent of earth and leaves, and the sounds of the wild echo all around. A reminder of what the world once was, and what it can still be if we choose to protect it. Scientists, artists, and visitors alike find inspiration and renewal here. Researchers uncover new species, artists capture the beauty of untouched nature, and travelers leave with a deeper appreciation for the planet's wonders. Brunei's vision is a gift to the planet, a model for prosperity that honors nature. By balancing economic growth with environmental stewardship, the nation demonstrates that development and conservation can go hand in hand, creating a future where both people and the planet thrive. This green kingdom stands as proof that a nation can thrive while protecting its wildest treasures. Brunei's rainforests are not just a national asset. They are a beacon of hope for conservationists and nature lovers everywhere, showing that with vision and commitment, the world's natural wonders can endure. Brunei's forests pulse with life, each animal a vital part of the jungle's symphony. The proboscis monkey, with its comical nose, leaps through the trees along riverbanks, a true icon of these forests. As night falls, the elusive clouded leopard prowls the canopy, a master of stealth and agility. The rhinoceros hornbill's call echoes overhead, its flight spreading seeds that sustain the forest. On the forest floor, jewel beetles glitter and stick insects vanish into the foliage. The slow loris, with soulful eyes, and the tiny mouse deer, ever alert, add to the forest's diversity. Even the world's smallest bear, the sun bear, finds a home here, feasting on honey. Each creature, from the largest predator to the smallest insect, is a thread in this rich tapestry of life. Brunei's forests are among the most biodiverse places on Earth, a living wonderland. The plant life of Brunei's forests is as remarkable as its animals. Towering Meranti trees anchor the ecosystem, while orchids and ferns add bursts of color and texture. Carnivorous pitcher plants like nepenthes trap insects in ingenious leaf pitchers. The forest is a pharmacy. Indigenous people have long used its plants for medicine and healing. Scientists now study these plants, searching for new medicines and marveling at their diversity. Lianas twist skyward, creating pathways for animals, while wild orchids bloom unseen in the canopy. Every plant, from the smallest moss to the tallest tree, contributes to the forest's complexity and beauty. Brunei's forests are shaped by the wisdom and traditions of its indigenous people, such as the Iban and Penan. These communities have called the rainforest home for countless generations, their lives deeply intertwined with the land and its rhythms. For centuries, they have lived in harmony with the land, taking only what they need and allowing the forest to heal and flourish. Their daily lives are guided by a profound respect for nature, ensuring that every action supports the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Their knowledge is vast and intricate, knowing which plants are edible, how to track animals, and when to harvest so the forest can renew itself. This wisdom is not written in books, but passed down through stories, songs, and hands-on teaching from elders to children. Today, these communities are blending ancient traditions with modern conservation efforts. They guide visitors through the rainforest, sharing their knowledge and fostering appreciation for the natural world. They also monitor wildlife, helping scientists understand and protect the forest's rich biodiversity. By supporting sustainable livelihoods, like crafting traditional products or practicing eco-friendly agriculture, conservation empowers these people to remain the forest's guardians. Their skills and crafts are not just sources of income, but also ways to keep their culture alive. Their stories and rituals reveal a deep spiritual connection to the land. The forest is seen not just as a resource, but as a living being, a provider, a parent, and a sacred place deserving of care and gratitude. This perspective fosters a sense of responsibility and respect for nature that is passed from one generation to the next, ensuring the forest's survival for years to come. In a world where many have lost touch with the wild, the people of the forest show us what it means to live as part of the ecosystem, not apart from it. Their way of life is a powerful reminder of our connection to nature. Their voices and leadership are essential in shaping a sustainable future for Brunei's forests. By listening to them, we can learn how to protect and cherish these ancient woodlands. The people of the forest remind us that true stewardship is rooted in respect, tradition, and a deep love for the land that sustains us all. Exploring Brunei's forests by river is an unforgettable adventure. Traditional longboats glide through winding waterways, revealing hidden wildlife and lush scenery. The river is a lifeline. Proboscis monkeys, kingfishers, and monitor lizards all gather at its edge. Ulu Temburong National Park, reached only by boat, remains remote and pristine thanks to careful management. Local guides share their knowledge, pointing out rare species and explaining the river's role in the ecosystem. These journeys connect visitors to the forest's heart, offering lessons in ecology and culture. A river tour is more than sightseeing. It's a window into Brunei's wild soul. To truly experience the forest, you must walk among its giants. Well-maintained trails and expert guides reveal hidden wonders, camouflaged insects, rare plants, and animal tracks. The highlight is the canopy walkway in Ulu Temburong, where steel towers lift you into the treetops. From above, the endless green stretches to the horizon, especially breathtaking at dawn. Here, you're eye level with hornbills and monkeys, witnessing the rainforest's layered complexity. The canopy walkway offers a humbling perspective on the scale and beauty of this ancient ecosystem. It's a powerful reminder of why these forests must be protected. Every step deepens your connection to Brunei's wild heart. Brunei's rainforests are vital to the planet, absorbing carbon, releasing oxygen, and supporting global biodiversity. These forests are a living library, holding secrets to new medicines and scientific discoveries. Brunei's commitment to conservation proves that economic growth and environmental protection can go hand in hand. National parks, strict laws, and ecotourism show a forward-thinking approach. Yet, threats remain: climate change, pollution, and global pressures. Protecting these forests is a shared responsibility, not just Brunei's alone. As visitors and global citizens, our choices matter, supporting responsible tourism and conservation efforts. Every action helps ensure this green legacy endures for generations. Our journey through Brunei's forests leaves us with awe and hope. We've seen rare wildlife, walked among ancient trees, and witnessed the resilience of nature. This place is a testament to what's possible when people choose to protect, not exploit the wild. The experience reminds us of our deep connection to the natural world. Brunei's example is a beacon, but it needs our support to continue. We can all play a part, learning, sharing, making conscious choices, and supporting frontline communities. Let's make a promise to respect and protect the world's natural wonders. Let's ensure future generations can walk among these giants and hear the jungle's symphony. In protecting these forests, we protect ourselves and our future. The story of Brunei's Green Kingdom is a call to action for us all.